Do you know how to save yourself if you hit a high voltage power line and fall to the ground? Be sure to listen to me carefully because this video may very well save your life in a critical moment. First of all, you must not run. When a high voltage line hits the ground, its landing point will be the center of the circle, and the potential will spread out in a circle, usually with a maximum radius of 20 meters. Moreover, the electric potential on each ring is also different. The closer to the center of the ring, the higher the electric potential is. When one of your legs enters this area, you will have a very obvious feeling of numbness. After the other foot of your body touches the ground, there will be a difference in distance from the foot in front of you. When current enters the body from the higher concentric circles and exits from the lower concentric circles, a crosspart voltage is generated. In other words, the further you cross, the higher the potential difference generated, which means the greater your risk. The human body simply cannot withstand this kind of current, and death is very likely. So what can we do to save our lives? First, we must stay calm, do not move forward or run away. We only need to stand on the ground with one leg and jump out from the other direction to get rescue. Second, if your balance is poor, you can choose to land with both feet at the same time and then jump out in the opposite direction. Third, if you are still unsure, you can use the method of rubbing your feet together alternately and slowly move in the opposite direction. Remember that your feet cannot leave the ground and cannot move more than 5 centimeters at a time. This is a useful video, remember to like and share it with your favorite people.